Hello students, today's lecture we will discuss about chapter number 7 probability. In the chapter next point is continue Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution was discovered by French mathematician cum physicist Simon Denis Poisson in 1837. Okay, Poisson किंवा बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन जे होतं त्याच्यामध्ये काय बायनॉमियल मीन्स दोन नेमिंग सिस्टीम आपण त्याला देतो, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन असं म्हटलेलं आहे. तर पॉयझन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन म्हणजे काय, पॉयझन या सायंटिस्टनेच काय केलं आहे ते सर्च आउट केलं म्हणून त्याने त्याला त्याचंच नाव काय दिलेलं आहे. पॉयझन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन इज ऑल्सो डिस्क्रीट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. ही डिराइव्ह इट ॲज ए लिमिटिंग केस ऑफ बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन. म्हणजेच काय, बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन जे आहे त्याच्यावरती काय करतं, हे लिमिटेशन्स करतं. ओके, म्हणजे ते लिमिट तिथं फॉर्मेशन करतं म्हणून त्याला पॉयसन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन असं म्हटलेलं आहे. कारण बायनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशन जे आहे त्याच्यावरती याने वर्क केलं आणि त्यानंतर त्याने स्वतःचं डिस्ट्रीब्युशन सर्च आउट केलं, प्लेस केलं म्हणून त्याला पॉयसन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन हे नाव दिलेलं आहे. For n means trial, the binomial distribution is q plus p in bracket n. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, n इज अ नंबर. ओके, म्हणजे किती वेळ आपण ते ट्राय केलेलं आहे, किती वेळ त्याला ते नेम दिलेलं आहे. द प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ एक्स सक्सेस इज गिव्हन बाय p इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू माय स्मॉल एक्स ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इज इक्वल टू n cx px qn minus x. Okay, it is a binomial distribution function. If the number of trials n is a very large and the probability of successes p is a very small, so that the product np is equal to m is a non-negative and infinite. Then definition: if the event is a very unusual in a great number of trials over long periods, the follow on distribution is called Poisson distribution. ओके, मग नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स काय असतील आणि त्याचा पिरियड किती आहे तेवढा त्याचा टाईम मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजेच त्याला पॉयझन पिरियड असं किंवा पॉयझन डिस्ट्रीब्युशन असं म्हटलेलं आहे. द प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ एक्स सक्सेस इज अ गिव्हन बाय पी इंटू द एक्स इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल एक्स इज इक्वल टू इन ब्रॅकेट ई मायनस यम इंटू यम टू द रेस एक्स डिवायडेड बाय एक्स आय. For x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 0 is a otherwise. Here m is a known as a parameter of distribution, so that m to the less than 0, m is a greater than 0. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, m हा 0पेक्षा कसा आहे, मोठा आहे असं त्यांनी सांगितलं. Since number of trials is a very large and the probability of success p is a very small, it is clear that the event is a rare event. Okay, म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस सक्सेस असेल, सक्सेस ऑफ p and p is a very small. Therefore Poisson distribution relates to rare events. Note, e is given by e is equal to 1. Second, p into x is equal to 0, that is equal to e minus m 0 divided by 0i is equal to 1 and 1i is equal to 1. p into x is equal to 1 is equal to e minus m1 divided by 1i. Okay, it is a note of Poisson distribution. Examples: the number of blinds born in a town in a particular years. ओके, एक्झाम्पल काय, म्हणजे एका सिटीमध्ये एका शहरामध्ये किती ब्लाइंड बॉर्न झाले. नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स कमिटेड इन टाईप पेज, म्हणजे एका पेजवरती टाईप करायच्या वेळेस किती मिस्टेक झाल्या. द नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स स्कोरिंग व्हेरी हाय मार्क्स इन ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. द नंबर ऑफ प्लेन ॲक्सिडेंट इन अ पर्टिक्युलर वीक्स. Number of suicide reported in a particular days. It is examples. Then conditions of Poisson distribution. The number of trials n is indefinitely large, that is a n plus infinite. The probability of success p for each trial is a very small, that is a p plus 0. np is equal to m say is a finite, m इज ग्रेटर दॅन एम इज लेस दॅन 0. ओके, म्हणजे एम हा काय 0पेक्षा मोठा आहे. ओके, एम इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0. Then characteristics of Poisson distribution. Discrete distribution. Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution like binomial distribution where the random variable assume as a constantly infinite number of values 1, 2. ओके, म्हणजे त्यांच्या बायोनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्युशनची व्हॅल्यू एन इज अ व्हॅल्यू किंवा एन इज अ ट्रायल मग किती वेळेस आहे 0, 1, 2. द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ पी अँड क्यू इट is applied in situation where the probability of success P of an event is a very small and that of failure Q very high, almost equal to 1, NAD in N is a very large. The parameter of Poisson distribution is m if the value of m is known as all probabilities of the Poisson distribution can be ascertained. Values of constant mean is equal to small m, variance so that standard deviation under root m. Poisson distribution may have either one or more modes. Next, additive property. If x and y are two independent Poisson distribution with parameters m1 and m2 respectively, then x plus y also follows the Poisson distribution with parameters m1 and m1 plus m2. Next, as an approximation to a binomial distribution, Poisson distribution can be taken as a limiting forms of binomial distribution when n is a large and p is a very small is such a way that product np is equal to m remains constant. Then example, suppose on an average one house in 1000 in a certain district has a fire during year. If there are 2000 houses in that district, what is the probability that exactly 5 houses will have a fire during the year, given that e square minus 2 is equal to 0.13534. Solution. Mean x bar minus enp, en is equal to 2000 and p is equal to p minus 1 upon 1000, that is equal to 2000 is equal into 1 upon 1000. The Poisson distribution is p is equal to p into x minus small x is equal to em minus 1 mx is divided by xi. P into x minus 5 is equal to e square minus 2 2 raised to the s divided by 5i, that is 0 in bracket 0 1 0.13534 into 32 divided by 120 is equal to 0.036. Next point, normal distribution. The most important continuous distribution known as a normal probability distribution or simply normal distribution. The normal distribution was first discovered by D. Moivre, English mathematician, in 1733 as a limiting case of binomial distribution. Later it was applied in natural and social science by Laplace, French mathematician, 1777. Then the normal distribution is known as a Gaussian distribution is honor of Carl Friedrich Gauss, 1809. Definition: a continuous random variable x is said to follow normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma if its probability. Density function f into the x is equal to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi into e minus 1 upon 2 in bracket x minus mu divided by sigma bracket complete square minus infinite greater than x greater than infinite. in infinite greater than mu greater than infinite. सिग्मा लेस दॅन 0. ओके, सिग्मा हा 0पेक्षा मोठा आहे. Conditions of normal distribution. Normal distribution is a limiting form of the binomial distribution under the following conditions. N the number of trials is indefinitely, n plus plus infinite. Neither p nor q is a very small. Normal distribution can also be obtained as a limiting forms of Poisson distribution with parameter m plus plus infinite. Then constant of normal distribution are mean is equal to mu, variation sigma square, standard deviation is a sigma. Then properties of normal distribution curve. The normal curve is a bell shape and is a symmetric at x is equal to mu. Then mean, median and mode of the distribution are coincide. That is mean is equal to median and median is equal to mode, that is a mu. Then it has only one mode at x is equal to mu, that is a unimodal. Since the curve is a symmetrical, skewness beta 1 is equal to 0, that and kurtosis beta 2 is equal to 3. The points of inflection are at x is equal to mu plus minus sigma. The maximum ordinate occurs at x is equal to mu and its value is 1 upon sigma into the under root 2 pi. The axis is an asymptote to the curve. The first and third quartiles are equidistant from median. The mean deviation about mean is 0.8 sigma. Quartile deviation is equal to 0.6745 sigma.